Thank you so much, Gullu. So we are going to make sure our cameras are on. हम एक शांत जगह पे quiet zone. We are sitting in a quiet zone in our house. Find a place where there is less noise and sit there. You're going to keep your mic off. You're going to chat. If I ask you to answer a question and type it in thumbs up. I'm asking for it. Guys, you have to keep yourself on mute. Your thinking cap on because in the class it's very important that you answer. And the last one is you're going to raise your hand before unmuting yourself. Okay? Everybody, we're going to move on. All right. Anybody who wants to come off mute and read the objective of our classroom? Afreen, on my screen, please unmute yourself and read the objective of the classroom. What is the objective of Afreen? Can you please come off mute? Okay, Afreen cannot hear me. I'm going to ask. Khan is also here. Okay, I am going to ask Nikhat. Can you come off mute and read the objective? Unmute करो और objective read करो. Yes, correct.
Yes. Where is the objective?
On your screen.
There is not showing.
Oh, then I think you will have to leave and join Nikhat. Rahmat, can you come off mute and read?
Yes, Didi. Objective, we will be able to read, understand the story, and describe the characters by making inferences.
Very good. Very close. Good job. Keep practicing. Okay. All right. Rahmat, tell me what are the keywords in this objective? What are the keywords, important words in this objective?
Making
inferences. Yes. And
understand.
Yes. Understand. What else? One more keyword. Characters. Okay.
Describe the characters.
Very good. Very good. All right. Amazing. Good job. Thank you so much. Okay. So first of all, what are we going to do? Read and understand. The first job is going to be for us to read the passage and understand. The second is going to be we are going to describe the characters. And the third one is we are going to make inferences. What does inference mean? Look at the picture and try to guess what does inference mean. Inference का मतलब क्या होता है? I can see a lot of you are raising your hand. I'm going to ask Shifa to come off mute and answer.
Make connection.
Sabnam, you're going to pay attention in the classroom. Sabnam, you're going to pay attention in the classroom and not around. Okay? All right. Yes. Say it again, Shifa. Make connection. Very good. Very good. What you would make contact, Asya is saying, Mehak Khan is saying make connections, Urja is saying make connections. Good job, guys. Okay. You're going to type the characters and then you're going to make connections. All right. Good job. We are going to move on. Okay. 3 steps for doing that. What is the step number 1? Someone who wants to come off mute and explain me what is the step number 1. Mehak Khan, can you come off mute and say step number 10? Yes.
Are the characters? What
Yes.
is character action?
Very good. Who are the characters? What is the character action? Whenever you see these two in the passage, what are you going to do, Mehak Khan?
कौन character है? Annotate करना है.
What does annotate mean? What does annotate mean, Mehak Khan?
Underline.
Very good. Underline. Good job, Faizan. Good job, Mehak Khan. Every time you see characters and character actions in the passage, the first thing you line. Okay. Now I'm going to ask Shubham to come off mute and tell me what is the step number 2. Shubham Chaube, can you please come off mute and tell me what is step number 2?
Step number 2. Circle the different word. Reread to understand what does it mean. मतलब टीचर हम लोग का जो डिफिकल्ट होता है ना उसको हम लोग इसको दोबारा पढ़ के फिर समझेंगे.
Very good. Good job. Okay. What we are going to do in step number 2, we are going to circle the difficult word and we are going to try to understand what that difficult word means. Okay. Good job. Well done, Shubham. The third step, I am going to ask Asya to come off mute and try to guess what's the third step. Asya, please unmute yourself.
स्कूल 5 मिनट बाकी है.
Asya, can you hear me?
और स्टैम्प भी लेने का
I
है
guess
स्कूल का. स्टैम्प.
Zoya, I can hear you, Baba. Please mute yourself. Alright, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask, wait a second, let me see someone. Okay, Zainab Kausar, third step. Tell me what it is.
Step is make connection. What I understand. What message do I get? Has it ever happened to me?
Okay, Zainab Kausar. So you said that the third step is making connections. How will you make connections? What are the 3 questions you will ask yourself? कैसे हम connections बनाएंगे? 3 questions that we will ask ourselves.
What did I understood from the story? What message do I get it from?
Yes.
Has it ever happened with me?
Amazing. All right. So what you're going to do, everybody, you're going to take 2 minutes and quickly write down the objective. Didi is going to give you 2 minutes to quickly write down the objective. You're not going to draw these things. You're just going to write the objective. The time starts now. 2 minutes, you're writing the objective in your notebook with today's date on it. Everybody, I want to see you writing.
Also,
What?
we have
What
written,
is
we have done this objective before also.
Yes, correct. You've done this objective, but the passage will keep on changing, Ujja. So it's very important for you to write this objective down in your notebook. Okay?
Didi, we done this objective now.
And this objective, that's what I was saying. We've done this objective only once. Okay? And in order for us to master this objective, you need to do it at least. So what you're going to do is you're going to quickly write this down in your notebook. Okay, I can see that Shifa is writing. Asya, I want you to write. Okay, Asya is done writing. All right, Nikhat, can you please write this down in your notebook? I can see Sahil is writing.
Didi, you will send this all later on, na?
No, No, Asya. If we are in the class, we will make sure that our work is finished in the class. I will not send this to you later.
This night teacher starting.
Yeah, for you, I will send it separately. Okay.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
Sabnam is done. Faizan is done. Huzaif is done. Farzana is done writing. Zoya is done. I'm waiting for Mehek Khan, Vivek and Fardeen. Zed means Shubham to give me a thumbs up so Didi can move on. Okay, Huzaif is done. Amazing. Mehek Khan is done. Well done. Waiting for a few more thumbs up. Habib is done as well. Faizan is done as well. Zainab Kausar is done as well. I can see that Shifa is still writing. I'm going to give 20 more seconds. Rehmat is writing, giving 20 more seconds. Shabnam, I did not see you writing, Baba. Can you please show me your book if you're done? Good job. Neat and clean. Amazing. Nikhat, are you done writing? If yes, please show me your notebook. Samya, I think Nikhat can't see the screen. Can you help her out?
Okay, I'll talk to her.
All right, everybody. Okay, I think most of you are done. I'm going to ask you to quickly write the steps down in your notebook. I know a few of you have written these steps. I would encourage others to please write it down. And while your friends are writing these steps down, I want you to revise these steps, okay? By the end of this week, you should know what these steps are. It's very important. Gullu and Asya, you have unmuted yourself. Can you please put yourself back on mute? Yes, Vivek, we do have a class at 1 p.m. Math class. Good job. I can see Rehmat is writing. Nikhat is writing. Aniket, I want you to write these steps down in your notebook. Okay?
दीदी वो लिखा वो उसको नहीं लिखने का है ना
जो जिसने लिखा है उनको नहीं लिखना है. You have to revise. Gullu, I will come to you and ask you and you should know it. Okay? Very good. You're giving me a thumbs up. Amazing. All right. Then, of course, sir, are you done writing? If yes, then you're going to revise these steps. Okay? All right. Amazing. I can see a lot of you are writing. Afreen is giving me a thumbs up. Farzana is giving me a thumbs up. Krishna, I haven't heard from you. If you're done, can you please give me a thumbs up? Pooja, you've raised your hand. Do you have a question?
No, Didi.
All right. Okay, Sahil, are you done writing this? If yes, give Didi a thumbs up. Okay, amazing. All right, guys, take more 30 seconds and we are going to move on, okay? 30 more seconds. Asya, are you done writing this? Asya, show me your notebook. Waiting for Asya to show me your notebook. All right, I'm going to give you 1 minute to complete. I can see someone is unmuting themselves. I don't know who that is. Can you please make sure you name yourself?
That is Shahid. I'm not being able to mute him back again.
All right. Guys, once you're done, give me a thumbs up so I know you are done, okay? I can see Asya has started writing. Amazing. I can see Shabista is writing. Krishna, that's wonderful. Good job, Krishna. Well done. Aniket is done writing. Aniket, can you please show me your notebook? Zainab Kausar is done. Aniket, can you please show me your notebook? Guys, if you're done, no, just show me your notebooks, okay? So I know that you guys are done. It's very important for me to know that you've written this. All right, in 20 seconds, I'm just going to move on to the next slide. Shubham, are you done? Haven't heard from you, Baba. Shubham Chobe, are you done? Amazing. Zed Momin, are you done? Zed Momin, are you done? Farzana, you're raising your hand. Do you have a question? Zainab Kausar, you're raising your hand. Yes, tell me.
Didi, my charge is very low, it's only 10%. It was 50%.
So what you can do is you can sit and charge your phone at the same time. Okay?
No, it
Try to
can't.
sit near the socket and charge your phone at the same time. Attend the class.
Didi,
Shabnam, you can't see the screen. Guys, Shabnam cannot see the screen. Can one of you please call her?
Yeah, I will.
Thank you, Soumya. All right, amazing. We are going to move on. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to read the passage first of all. We are going to comprehend the passage. What does comprehend mean? You know this, guys. Didi has done this with you. What does the word comprehend mean? Comprehend. You're going to read the passage, then you're going to comprehend the passage. Uja, can you come off mute and answer?
Yes, Didi. Comprehend means that to break and read the passage.
Amazing. Break and read the passage. Another word for comprehend is also understand the passage. Okay. Break and read, understand the passage. Nehal, you are correct. All right, Faizan, you are right. We are going to understand the passage. Then what are we going to do? We are going to read the question. Okay. Then we are going to comprehend the question. What does comprehend mean? I am going to ask Huzaif. Huzaif, can you please come off mute and tell me what does the word comprehend mean? Huzaif, the word comprehend means?
Comprehend mean to understand.
Very good. Comprehend means to understand. And the last one is you're going to write down your answers. All right, we are going to do a chapter from your Bal Bharti book. And the chapter is here. Okay, 3.3, a crow in the house. All right, we have already done passage number 1 from that chapter. We are going to move on to passage number 2. Before we do that, I want those of you who have just joined the class today, I want you to quickly write this vocabulary down in your notebook. These are some of the new words that throughout this class we are going to study. For the ones who already have written this down, I want you to look at the words and try to guess the meaning of it. The meaning is already given, but still try and do that on your own. Hide one side of the page, try to guess and then look at the meaning. Okay, I want you to do that. All right, guys, for those of you who have not written this down in your notebook, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Your time starts now. If you're done, please give me a thumbs up. Huzaif is done. Amazing. I can see Shifa has started writing. Rehmat, quickly write this down, okay? Sahil, quickly write this down. Shabista, please write this down. Nikhat, you as well. Afreen, I think you were there for the last class, so please write this down in your notebook. Krishna, please write this down. Zainab Salmani is done. Shubham, please write this down. Mustaqim. Kushi, hello, welcome to the class. Please write these down. I see 2 of you have not named yourself. Can you please rename yourself? Okay, I can see Rehmat has started writing. Aniket is writing. Nikhat is writing. Shabista is writing. Sahil is writing. Asya is writing. Amazing. Good job, guys. Shifa is writing. For those of you who I can't see, I hope you guys are writing as well. Very, very important, guys, for you to write these words down. I'm so happy, guys. All of you are on task. That's amazing. Nausheen, welcome to the classroom. Can you please write these words down in your notebook? Habib, I hope you're writing. I think that's Shabnam. Somewhere that's Shabnam. All right. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Good job, Asya. Can you show me your notebook, Asya? Show it again. Asya, can we write in a neat and clean manner? Okay. Jaldi khatam karna is not the task. Writing it really nicely is the task. Okay. All right. I don't know that. Yeah. Okay. Shabista, well done, Nikhat. I can see your notebook. Shabista, can you please show me your notebook? Good job, Shabista. Well done. Right, start using pen now. Okay, Gullu, good job. Very well done. Okay, waiting for a couple of more thumbs up and then we are going to move on. Okay. Khushi, I haven't gotten a thumbs up from you. Are you done writing? Nirma, are you done writing? Nosheen, are you done writing? Okay, amazing. Khushi is done. Nosheen, are you done writing? Yes. Okay. All right. I don't know who that is, but you're giving me a thumbs up. Amazing. Nirma is done. All right. Waiting for a couple of more thumbs up. Aniket is done. Rahmat, are you done? Okay. Shabnam, are you done? Shabnam is still writing. All right, guys. I'm going to move on. Shabnam, last 5 seconds. Good job, Rahmat. Well done. I can see your notebook, neat and clean. Amazing. All right. Okay. We are going to move on. Okay. So, I want one of you to read this passage for me. This passage is something that we have done in the past. I'm not going to waste a lot of time on this one. We are going to quickly move on, but just for everybody to come on the same page, I want you to read this passage for me. Shavik, I can see you raising your hand. Can you please unmute yourself and start reading this passage?
A young crow had fallen from its nest and was fluttering about on the road, in danger of being crushed by a car or a bike, or seized by a cat. I picked it up and brought it home. It was in a sorry condition, becoming and head dropping, and we did not expect it to live.
All right. Okay. So, this word here is fluttering. Okay. Fluttering. This word right here is seized. Seized. Okay. This word right here is sorry condition. This word right here is getting. Please, you're going to, all of you are going to just circle the ones which are difficult ones. Okay. Now, can you tell me anyone who is the character over here? Character. Who's the character over here? The character in this passage. A young crow had fallen from its nest and was fluttering about on the road. Who is the character over here? I'm going to ask Habib, can you please come off mute and tell me who's the character? I can see a lot of you are raising your hand. Please type it down in the chat box. Habib, can you please come off mute and tell me who's the character? Good job, everybody. I can see all of you are typing in the chat box. Good job, Gulnar, Asya, Huzair, Farzana, Faizan. Amazing. All right. Yes.
Character
Yes,
in
Habib.
passage is crow.
Very good. Okay. Character in the passage is young crow. All right. So I'm going to quickly underline that. Okay. Young crow is the character in the passage. Can you tell me the character actions? What was crow doing? What were some of the actions of the crow? Krishna, can you please come off mute and tell me character actions? What actions? What was character doing? What was the young crow doing? Krishna, can you please come off mute and answer?
She was on the road.
Krishna, can you repeat? Your voice is cracking.
मतलब वो रोड पे मतलब डेंजरस में था.
Very. Oh, all right. So, can you from this passage, can you tell me which are the character actions? Read the passage and tell me.
And was flirting about on the road is dangerous.
Very good. Fluttering. Very good. One more
Flutter.
character action that you want to tell me. One more character action, Krishna. In danger of being crushed by a bike or seized by a cat. I picked it up and brought it home. It was in a sorry condition, beak gaping and head drooping, and we did not expect it to live. Okay, one more character action, Krishna. Quickly tell me. You know this, Krishna.
Just by a car or a bike or size
What
by a
Krishna,
cat.
think of what was the crow doing? Crow क्या कर रहा था? In this passage, what were some of the things that the crow was doing? Crow's action. Gulu, you're going to keep yourself on mute. Krishna, I want you to think, but fluttering was a right answer. I'm going to ask someone else to help me out. Identify the character action. Shabnam, can you hear me? Yes? Shabnam, what do you think are the character actions? What else is crow doing? Fluttering, uske alawa, what else is crow doing? Shabnam, can you unmute yourself and tell me? I can see a lot of you are raising your hand, but I'm going to wait for Shabnam to answer. Okay? Everybody is doing a good job. You can type it in the chat box and send it to me. Good job, Shifa, Nikhat, Shubham, Pooja, Zainab, all of you. Well done. All right, I'm waiting for Shabnam to. Okay, Shabnam cannot hear me. Rehmat. Okay, Shabnam is here. Hi, Shabnam. Can you hear me? Shabnam,
Yes.
put your video off so that you can hear me better.
Okay.
Amazing.
Bolo.
Yes. Can you? Yes. What are the character actions?
Character action, I think dropping.
Very good. Gaping. Yes. Or a character action. One more. I know Shabnam is saying something. Drooping. All right. Amazing. Well done. Okay. Good job. Now what I want you to tell me is, okay, one more tricky question that I want you to answer. A young crow had fallen from its nest and was fluttering about on the road in danger of being crushed by a car or a bike or seized by a cat. I picked it up and brought it home. Who is I in this passage? Is it me? Is it you? Who's the I? Who's the I in this passage? If you're smart, you will know what this is.
author,
Who's the I in this passage? Very good. Very good, Krishna. You said author, okay? But what is the name of the author? What is the name of the author?
Ruskin Bond.
Very good, Urja. Ruskin Bond, okay? Ruskin Bond is the name of the author. Very well done. Okay. We are going to move on to the next passage. Okay. So by now we know that a crow had fallen on the ground. He was fluttering. Okay. There was a possibility that the cat would come and eat it. Okay. He was in a very sorry condition. His beak was gaping, was open. His head was dropping. Okay. All of that was happening to the character, but the author brought the character home. Now we are going to see what happened next. All right. Yes. Nikhat, you are saying something.
Textbook.
You don't have textbook? That's okay. Didi will send you pictures of the textbook. Okay. All
Okay.
right. Amazing. Who wants to come off mute and read the second one? Nikhat, can you see the screen now?
To read.
Yes. Do you want to read the second passage for us? Nikhat, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to read this passage for us?
But I don't see the passage.
You can't see it. Guys, any one of you who can get in touch with her, leave and join Nikhat. You will be able to see the passage on the screen. Those of you who can't see the passage, leave and join. Okay. I think it's a network issue. I can see a lot of you are raising your hand. I'm going to ask who's there. Can you please come off mute and read this passage?
Grandfather and I did our best to bring it to good healthy. We
1
feed.
second, okay?
Didi's voice is
Just
cutting.
1 second. All right. Who's there?
Didi's
Can you
voice is
please start
cutting.
from Asya, leave the class and join again. I think it's an activity issue. Soumya, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can. I can.
All right. Asya, please leave and join. Joseph, I want you to start reading from the start. Yes, go ahead, read.
Grandfather and I did our best to bring it to good heavy. We feed it by pressing it. We grind open with a pencil, pushing in the little hard and milk, and then remove the pencil to alone it too small.
Very
Smell.
good.
We
Stop, Joseph. Stop. Joseph, stop. Amazing. I like how you pronounce the word pricing. That's the correct pronunciation. All right. Okay. This is swallow. Swallow. Okay. This is bread. This is fed. And this is health. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you got it. Amazing. I'm going to ask, good job, Joseph. You read really nicely. I'm going to ask Gullu, do you want to come off mute and read?
Yes.
Yes, Gullu.
That which those of grandmother will
Read.
this diet with those of grandmother as homemade milk, pumps, juice, and riches. The old cow was soon on the road to
What is that word, Gullu?
recovered.
Very good, very close. Okay, good job. I like how you pronounce varied, doses, and recovery. Okay, varied, doses, recovery. Very good. Good job. All right. All right. Anyone who wants to come off mute and tell me who are the characters in this passage? The characters in this passage, I'm going to wait for all of you to come off, one of you to raise your hand so that I can ask you to come off.
Didi, may
Yes, tell me.
characters in the passage? There are three characters, and they are grandfather, Ruskin, and the
Okay.
grandmother.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Pooja. I'm going to ask someone else to tell me what are the actions of grandfather and Ruskin. Pooja, you're going to keep yourself on mute. I'm going to ask someone else to tell me. Okay?
मिस ऊर्जा ने एक और कैरेक्टर भूल गई.
Yes, tell me.
मिस ऊर्जा ना एक और कैरेक्टर भूल गई.
Tell me.
मिस ऊर्जा ने ना एक कैरेक्टर भूल गई.
And the
Which
crow.
one, Shubham? Which one,
Grandmother.
Shubham?
मिस
Tell me which one. Yes, Shubham.
क्रो भूल गई इसने बोलना.
Grandmother.
Crow.
Grandmother.
All right. So here when they say it, and here there is crow. Okay. So good job. I like how all of you are observing the passage really carefully. That's amazing. Pat on your back to tell me what are the actions of grandfather and Ruskin. What are the actions? What is Ruskin and grandfather doing in this stage? I want Farzana to come off mute and tell me. No, Farzana, you can't leave. Okay, we still have 4 minutes for our class to end. Farzana, can you come off mute and tell me what is grandfather and Ruskin doing in this passage? Grandfather and I did our best to bring it to good health.
Good health.
Farzana?
Grandfather, yes,
What did they try to do? क्या करने का कोशिश की उन लोग ने?
उन लोग ना गुड हेल्थ मतलब अच्छा हेल्थ के लिए वो लोग ट्राई कर रहे थे.
All right. What else did they do?
To breathe out white pencil, brush little breath and milk.
Very
remove
good.
the-
Putting a little.
Allow,
Very good.
yes, milk and remove the pencil. Allow it to stabilize. What is it, Didi?
Swallow.
Follow.
Very good. All right. So I'm going to ask you, Farzana, what are the difficult words that you found? Which were the difficult words that you found in this passage? Difficult words.
Didi, this SWALLOW.
Swallow. Yes.
Yes.
Swallow is a difficult word. Yes. What else?
And this PRI.
Pricing. Very good.
Pricing.
One more.
All
You
the
have
black
any?
black words.
All the black words.
Yes.
Okay. Amazing. All right. So you found the difficult words as well. Okay. But you are right. Grandfather and Ruskin, what did they try to do? They tried to fed. Means give the crow bread and
मिस
milk.
एक और चीज था.
Yes. Shubham, what are you saying?
Miss, I am saying that teacher recovery भी तो है difficult word.
Yes. Recovery is also a difficult word. Correct, Shubham. Next time you want to raise your hand up and wait for Didi to give you a chance. But I'm proud how nicely you're reading, how carefully you're reading the passage. Okay. All right. Pricing means to open something. Okay. To open something, to pull something, that is pricing. Okay. What they did, they tried to feed the bird. They tried to give food to the bird by opening its beak and giving it bread and milk. Okay. Now tell me, what is the action of grandmother here? What is the action of grandmother here? Nehal, can you hear me? If you can, please come off mute and tell me the action of grandmother. What's the action? What's her action? What is she doing in this passage? Nehal, what is grandmother doing in this passage? Nirma, I think Nirma is facing some.
Arzu, tick tick, Arzu, your voice is doing tick tick.
Have to ask them what are the grandmother's action. Okay, I'm just gonna be back.
Didi, I can't hear you.
Arzu, can you type the instructions? I couldn't hear you.
आज कितने घंटे तक का
6 बजे तक का पढ़ाई.
Guys, we'll give Didi 1 minute, okay? Arzu, what actions? I did not understand.
Didi, you are mute.
Yeah, Arzu, you're on mute.
Good observation. Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Sujay, for bringing that out. Okay, grandmother's action. What is grandmother doing? Sorry for typing that out in a very weird way. Grandmother's action, guys. I want one of you to come off mute and tell me what is grandmother doing. I can see
Didi, I can say.
Who is I can? Yes, Nikhat, can you come? Oh, Nehal, can you hear me? I can see Sabna or Shifa. All of you want to answer, please type it in the chat box. Yes, Asya, I know it's 10:31. I'm just going to close out. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to ask Nikhat to tell me grandmother's action. What is grandmother doing? Good job, Mehak Khan. What is grandmother doing?
Grandmother action is making the juice.
Yes, correct. She made homemade. Oh my God, she made homemade plum juice for the crow. Good job, guys. Okay. So now tell me, what do you think of grandmother, grandfather, and Ruskin? What kind of people are grandmother, grandfather, and Ruskin? Based on this passage, what do you think? What kind of people? Okay, Faizan is saying caring. I want you to tell me, what do you think? What kind of people are grandmother, grandfather, and Ruskin? Helpful, amazing, helping, okay.
Helpful.
Yes, helpful, correct, all right. Amazing. Kind, very good, okay. So you are saying that because they fed the bird, fed the crow, made plum juice for the crow, they are helpful and considerate, attentive, peaceful, helpful. Good job, guys. All of you are correct. So what we are going to do is we are going to try and solve all these. One second. Let me clear this for everybody. Okay. So Didi is going to send you a question. Oh, sorry, I can't send it to you. What I'm going to do is when we come back to the class tomorrow, we are going to try and answer these questions. Okay? All right. I'm just going to stop my
You
screen.
send these question as homework also.
I can't do that with them because Soumya Didi will be giving you homework. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this up in the next classroom. But most of you have given the answer, so that's completely okay. Well done, good job, guys. I see how
दीदी,
everybody.
लेक एंड इन्फ्लुएंस वाले थर्ड क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को किसका ये कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताने का है?
Grandfather,
क्रो का या
mother, and Ruskin, तीनों का. All right. Amazing. Good job, guys. Everybody, I want you to pat on your back because you did an amazing job. Okay. For the ones who had your first class today also, you did a fantastic job. Well done. You read, you understood, and you made connection. Okay. So you did 3 things. You read, you understood, you described the characters, and you made connection. So good job. Well done, everybody. Clap for yourself. Amazing. Good